one that you wanna talk about. I ain't the one that you wanna run your mouth about. You should know that you shouldn't play with fire, fire. Your eyes telling me you a liar.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VanessaK7. Today you guys are coming with me to get my hair done by a professional IG stylist. And this is my first time getting a slay done because I like to do my own hair, but for the first time someone's actually going to do my hair properly. So I'm excited and I hope you guys are excited to come with me. I know you guys haven't seen me in a long time. It's because, like I said, I've been busy preparing myself for the new chapter in my life and I needed some space. And you guys said, you know, Vanessa, take whatever time you need, as you should, and I'm doing as I should, you know what I mean? So yeah, this video is a lead up to the special occasion that I'm going to share with you guys. I always get excited when someone else slays my hair because I've been doing my own hair for so many years. So when someone else does it, I just get so excited. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there because I'm so heavily pregnant, child. I can't do the vlogging thing. I just need to see you guys when I get there, okay? So yeah. Hi guys, so it's been a long time since I've done a voiceover. Oh my god, I ain't done a voiceover since Bendy Roller days. So basically I have given my hairstylist my bundles that I dyed myself. I dyed it black, and these bundles, I don't remember what company they're from, but she's using 3 to 2 bundles, and then she's doing the ear to ear lace front as well. So she's making the wig on my head. So after she sewed the bundles onto the wig cap, she got started on the frontal. She sewed the bundles very quickly, honestly, so surprised, and got started on the frontal straight away, which is the best part, the most perfecting part. Okay, for this install I did ask the stylist to protect my edges as much as possible. I know it's impossible with lace frontals, but you can do certain adjustments to protect your edges as much as possible. So we brought the frontal a little bit forward, so you will see at the end how forward she brought it. It wasn't too forward where it was sitting on my eyebrows. We're not doing that, but it was forward enough for some of my edges to be protected. So the glue was actually on my forehead rather than on my actual baby hairs. So the bundle lengths were all 24 inches long and the frontal is 12 inches. So I asked Chrissy to layer it for me and she did that flawlessly. I got some luscious layers, child. Luscious layers.
Shut up, nigga, and you play around, they just be pulling triggers. They be suited, booted, just a blazing nigga on the enemy. Shut up a grave digger for the stars shooting, moving. I gotta keep this here moving. They said I gotta get loose, so I bought 2 party girls and a boozing. Bad B won't do me, we going somewhere secluded. I that shit from my angle, I said that I like the hits with the movement. Cruising, we cruising, ain't gotta keep but we moving. Choosing, you know them bitches be choosing. Go watch out for them niggas too, cause you know how they be moving. Loose ends, I cannot deal with the nuisance. Aim for the stars, shooting, moving. I gotta keep this here moving. They said I gotta get loose, so I bought 2 party girls and a boozing. Bad B1, do me. We going somewhere secluded. I had that shit from my angle. I said that I like the hits with the movement. Cruising